When you need fast cash to deal with an unexpected expense, a title pawn from Auto Cash USA is a good option to consider. Similar to a title loan, a title pawn can help you get the cash you need to handle almost any cash emergency. A title pawn lets you turn your car into fast cash for things like medical bills, auto repairs, or other unexpected expenses in as little as 30 minutes. To get started, contact any of our store locations directly by phone, or use our convenient online inquiry form to instantly send your information to the location of your choice. You'll get a fast call back from a friendly store representative who will answer any questions you have. They'll also explain the simple required items you'll need: a government-issued ID, like a driver's license, the vehicle you intend to use, and its lien-free title. The next step is to drive to the location of your choice with your required items. Once there, an associate will perform a quick 5-minute inspection of your vehicle to establish the amount of cash you may qualify for. Title pawns from Auto Cash USA can help you take care of some of the financial curveballs coming your way. Get started by calling us today.